Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you my material for the hallway of the gigantic dollhouse. I've been saying that I'm going to work on it, but I never get to, and I'm finally preparing and just gathering up what I think would work in there. Now these here that you see are rub-on transfers, and I got these, I believe it was at a yard sale a while back, and I always loved these. Look at these designs. I'm thinking of making maybe 2 or 3 portraits or picture frames to go on the wall of the gigantic dollhouse nook, which I'm going to go over to the dollhouse in a minute and I'll show you what I mean. You probably do know because there was a previous video in which I shared with you that I would be working on the exterior of the house, but it has a hidden area that I want to decorate. So I'm thinking of this, but you know what? Whatever I affix to that wall is going to have to be removable. So I want to be able to change whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to have to make some type of bracket to slide the portrait through so that it won't be permanent. But I'll show you that in a minute what I mean. But these are really beautiful. I'm thinking of using maybe 4 of these for that wall that I'm talking about. I also have some decorative paper here. This is one of the last designs that one of the most recent designs that I had gotten from the thrift store. I did make a video on all the paper that I bought for just $1. So this was one of them. Look at this pattern. And I like that the color is neutral. So I think that that would work in the spot that I'm telling you about. Then there's this other paper. I'm not sure it would be this one. I don't think so. So it's between this one and this one here as wallpaper. So I'm going to take you over to the area that I want to decorate. And I'm also going to be using these little wooden squares. I have a whole bunch there, but I have some better ones here. These are pretty sturdy, and look at the size. Perfect to place those on this and make some frames. So let me take you over to the area that I am talking about. So this is the dollhouse. You all know about this dollhouse. I am working on the exterior. I'm going to share something else with you before the video ends. But you see this area here? I can put my hand in through here and reach the room. See that? And I can do the same here. If I place my hand through here, my hand could come out through the other side, but I have something there blocking. But you get the idea. This is supposed to be a window. You see what I'm saying? It's a window, but I'm going to make it a walkout door to a porch. So I'm going to create the porch here. There's going to be a step right here to get onto the porch. But before I do that, I have to decorate the inside and maybe add a little bit of lighting in there so that you can see what I put on the wall. Other than that, I have something else that I already started doing. Now you see this here. Let's see, let me bring you over here. You see this ledge? This dollhouse has ledges on each window, but some of the ledges were broken off a little bit. I'm not sure if you can notice, but look underneath. That ledge was chipped off. Some of them have a complete ledge and some of them don't. So what I did was I took some cards from a deck of cards and I cut out some borders. I glued them to each window to make a little ledge there. And I went all across. I did it to each window. And being that the shutters are blue, that is why this deck of cards was perfect, because it matches with the blue. You see what I'm saying? Now, in addition to that, I did something else. I used the same deck of cards to add a little bit of accent to the top of the windows. And not only that, I didn't place it like flat. This is easily removable, and I'll show you in a minute. See this strip here from the deck of cards? See that? And see where I had it? All I have to do is place it there and here, right there, and it stays. Look at that. Look at how easy. I can easily remove it if I want to. I don't have to use any glue, no tape. And it looks great like that. And I did it to all the windows. Look at that. See it here? I did it to all the windows. So now the top here matches the ledge. You see what I'm saying? Look at that window. Now another idea is I have these little plastic pieces. I have exactly the amount that I need for all these windows. And what I plan to do with this is, now that I have a ledge, because I couldn't have done this before because the ledge was chipped, but now that I have a ledge, and look at how sturdy this is. Look at this. Doesn't even bend. So now what I want to do is use one of these plastic pieces on there like this, so that I can add flowers to there. And if it's, let's say, Christmas time and I want to place a Christmas decoration there in front of each window, I'll have this little piece to hold up whatever it is that I place there. But I'm thinking right now of plants. So each window is going to have a plant. I have more of those pieces. Have another piece here. These are just miscellaneous odd pieces that I find at yard sales, and they are just perfect for these type of projects. So stay tuned, because the next item that I'm going to be using is that whatever picture frame I make, and I'm going to decorate this area here. So I'll be bringing this back to you. So I hope that you have enjoyed these ideas for the exterior of a dollhouse, and thank you so much for watching.